For this project, we're going to print on these strips of paper, and you're going to pick out 4 colors of these 3-inch by 18-inch pieces of paper, and you're going to pick out one at a time. So I already did the yellow one, and now I'm going to start on the blue one. The first thing that you do is you put your piece of paper on your table and you write your name and your class code. So just make sure that your class code is on here, whatever that class code might be. Then flip it over to the blank side. You're going to take your little piece of cardboard and you're going to dip it and press it onto the paper. Dip and press. And you're going to make a pattern. You're going to make an A, B, C, D pattern. So 4 veins of either a line pattern or a shape. So I did 3 diagonal lines, 1 cross, 3 horizontal lines, and 1 triangle. Now I do 3 diagonal lines again, 1 X, 3 horizontal lines, and so what's next? Triangle, that's right. Then I've got a tray at my seat. So see here's the yellow one that I've already finished, and it has a pattern too. And I just put it right next to it, not so that it's overlapping, but right next to it on the tray, and set that off to the side. Then get my next paper, and I'm going to do the same thing. And you can have it either vertically in front of you or horizontally in front of you, whatever is easier for you. So I'm going to do square, and then these lines, horizontal lines, diamond, and then for my D, I'm going to do lines going this way and repeat. This is a more complex pattern because it's A, B, C, D, and then you repeat A, B, C, D. Now my triangle fell off the paper a little bit, and that's okay. Go ahead and print it as if the paper was there. Oops, don't want to overlap or it'll stick together. Just go ahead and get a wipe and clean up your table if you accidentally print on your table before you lay your next paper down. Lay your next paper down, and then you can do another different A, B, C, D pattern. So once again, I'm pressing on my paper, dipping in the ink. This is not like a brush, like a paintbrush. It's always just pressing it onto the paper, and when you need more paint, you just dip it into the paint and then press it onto the paper. And then when I'm all done with my pattern of 4, I put my 4 pieces of paper on the tray, and each one of them should have your name and class code on it, and you put all of that in the drying rack for next week.